Aaron Mahi here again for the last of our Hawaiian words of the month of September, or Mahoe Hope. Ōnaeao. This is borrowed from a previous sentence. Ōnaeao, which means the universe and all contained therein. Our sentence is a sentence you might have heard last month in August. Ina oi e imi na awau I kou kalewa, ina e loa na mea ka mahao o ka ōnaeao. When one searches for knowledge in the heavens, then they attain all of the wonders of the universe. Come back next month for another series of words from Huaʻōlelo a ka Malama. Iola I ka ōlelo Hawaii. Aloha.